Hi everyone, welcome to the 13th episode of the Logophile Lounge. In this episode, we are going to learn copywriting. I am Saket, the founder of ACT, and the Logophile Lounge is a weekly video series dedicated to content writing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to hone your writing skills and hit the like button if you find this video useful and informative. Now, let us see what is copywriting. So, copywriting is an act of writing that aims to improve sales or visibility of your product or a brand. In other terms, the primary purpose of copywriting is to make people buy your product. The examples of copywriting could be promotional email content, web content, brochure content, or content of any ad that aims to influence your reader's behavior in favor of your brand. Sometimes copywriting is also called persuasive writing, because the main purpose of this type of content is to persuade readers to take action. You should know three terms related to copywriting. Number one is the term copywriting itself, which is an act of writing. The second term is copy. Now, the copy is basically the content. So, when I say email copy, it means content of the email. When I say web copy, it means the content of the website. The only difference between content and copy is when I say copy, it means the content is written for promotional purposes. Then the third term is copywriter. The writers who write the copy or the ad copy are called copywriters. Please note the term copy. It has nothing to do with the terms which is copy and paste. So copywriting does not mean that you copy content from one source and then paste it somewhere else. There is no relation between copy and paste and copywriting. Also note a difference between the two similar sounding terms, copywriting and copywriting. So this copywriting is a legal action to protect intellectual goods. The slogans like "Ab ki baar Modi Sarkar, Thanda matlab Coca-Cola" are coined by copywriters, and you know the impact of these phrases on their respective campaigns. Since quality of copywriting directly impacts the revenue of a business, copywriters are very high in demand and they are also well paid. Piyush Pandey, Prashant Joshi, Prahlad Kakkar are some of the well-known admin today in India who have coined popular phrases and slogans for various brands. Copywriting is a very important skill for everyone to learn, because this is the skill that you can use to promote your qualities, promote your candidature for something, and you can also use this skill to write high impact resume. If you want to learn copywriting, then you have to do these two things. Number one is start observing. So note down all the benefits or features of the product that you want to promote, and then pick up the most notable feature among them. Then the second task is start writing every day. So you have picked up one notable or the most notable feature or the benefit of a product, then you should create a one-line story and start posting it on social media, actively seek feedback and then work on them. And your aim should be to write sharper and precise quotes with fewer words. If you do these two things consistently over a period of time, you will see a significant improvement in your writing skills, especially the copywriting skills. If you want to improve your copywriting skills in a time-bound manner, then you may consider joining ACT content writing course. At ACT, we have designed a content writing course to transform your writing skills in just 90 days. A certification from a government-recognized institute will also boost your career and build trust and credibility in the employment market. Hit the like button if you find this video useful and informative, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest update. Thank you very much for watching this video.